Hey friends, this is part 2 of who is eligible for an employment authorization document. If you have not yet checked out the first video, part 1, go ahead, do so now. I'm going to link to that video here so that you can go back and watch that video. But before we dive right into the content, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing. Share this video with other people because you never know who will need this information, as I always say. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the videos in this series. Now let's pick up from where we left off at. Now, who else is eligible for the EAD? Well, we have categories based on an individual's nationality. So, for example, if you have TPS, temporary protected status, because your country has been designated as a TPS country, such as Haiti and some other countries, then you are eligible for the EAD. Now, foreign student categories. There are several different categories here for those who are students in the United States. Specifically, those who are seeking OPT may obtain a work permit. Those who have completed the OPT and have been granted post-completion OPT. Then there's those who are STEM students, and then some other categories here for students who are seeking off-campus employment due to severe economic hardship. They're eligible for the EAD, but they have to follow all of these special evidence that must be submitted to the government to prove that they are facing severe economic hardship. J2 spouse or minor child. These are spouse of J1 visa holders. Now, other students, M1 students seeking post-completion OPT after completing studies. Then there are diplomatic categories here, right? Those who are part of international organizations or NATO as well are eligible for an EAD. Then the employment-based non-immigrant categories. There are some that do allow for the EAD. Specifically, there's the B1 non-immigrant who is the personal or domestic servant of a non-immigrant employer. Then there's also the B1 non-immigrant domestic servant of a U.S. citizen, the B1 non-immigrant employed by a foreign airline. Then you have spouse of E1 treaty trader or E2 treaty investor and or E3 specialty occupation professionals from Australia. Then there's the spouse of the L1 intracompany transferee and the spouse of an E2 Commonwealth of Northern Mariana Islands investor. So, guys, this gets very specific here. Then there's the spouse of the H1B holder, then individuals who are the principal beneficiary of an approved employment-based immigrant petition facing compelling circumstances category. Then we have the spouse or unmarried child of a principal beneficiary of an approved employment-based immigration petition. These are the family-based non-immigrant categories. K1 non-immigrant fiance of a U.S. citizen or K2 dependent. Now, there are some very special rules here that you guys should understand if you're a K1. The government says you're only authorized to work under this category during your 90 days in the K1 or K2 status, and you cannot renew this EAD. K3, non-immigrant spouse of a U.S. citizen or K4 dependent. Then there's the category that falls under the Family Unity Program. It says if you are filing for initial or extension of Family Unity benefits, complete the form I-817, the application for Family Unity benefits. Then there's those who fall under the Life Act, the Life Family Unity. Then we have the V1, V2, or V3 non-immigrant visa holders are eligible for the work permit as well. Whew, that was a lot, right? It's a lot to digest. That's why, friends, you've got to work with your lawyer, give us a call to determine whether you're eligible for a work permit based on one of the categories that I just went over with you. The system is different now. It's lots of nuances and changes have happened over the past 3-4 years under the Trump administration. So you want to make sure you get this done right. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to share it with other people, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.